Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. Okay, so we are at the point in winter where everyone, including myself, starts staring at their vegetables, wondering how they can prepare them differently than what you've been eating the last 6 days. The vegetables begin to sort of taste the same, you run out of ideas, you're not sure what to do with them. So in today's video, I'm going to do a really short recipe to show you how to prepare radishes. So many of you are probably wondering why I chose radishes. Radishes are still abundant in winter. You can still get them in the store, and they're super easy to prepare, and they're a really great snack, and they're healthy for you. If there are any heartburn sufferers out there, you can definitely take a chunk of radish, any size, and after about 20 minutes of ingesting that radish, you will no longer have heartburn. So I love to try and incorporate radishes into my diet. But like everyone else, sometimes I stare at them in my garden or stare at them at the grocery store going, I have no idea really how I want to incorporate these. So in today's video, what I've decided to do is look at the radishes and do a super easy, healthy recipe for everybody to try. So the first thing that you're going to need when you're making this recipe, obviously, is radishes, but you want some nice size radishes that you can actually chop into very tiny, thin pieces. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding some spices to them to make them taste great, on top of all of the healthy benefits they already give you. I've taken the time to pre-cut the radishes so you painfully don't have to watch me doing that. But what I did do is I cut off the tops and I also cut off the roots. You don't want to eat the roots and you want to cut off the green tops. Now, you can eat the leaves of a radish. They can be used in anything, soups, stews, or they can even be eaten raw. But in this case, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be baking these radishes, or air frying them actually. So we want to get rid of all the tops and the roots. So what I've done here is I've actually chopped the radishes and sliced them into really thin pieces because that's going to help us air fry them. The other ingredient that you're going to need is you're going to need avocado oil. So if you take a look here, avocado oil actually can go to 260 degrees Celsius. So that's 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's the smoke point, which makes it perfect for air frying. Now, this is where you can actually get really creative with putting whatever spice that you want on your radish crisps. So I've decided to use a souvlaki spice mix. And if you look very closely, it's got garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, and rosemary and oregano in it. All very healthy herbs. And I don't really need to actually add anything else to these rice crisps. It's simply just going to be the souvlaki mix. And I just want to say a shout out to herbaltime.ca. Zoe Morgan is a wonderful business owner. I love to promote local businesses when I can. She's the owner of herbaltime.ca, and she provides healthy teas and salves and creams, all organically made and all picked and packed by her. Take a look at her website. It's herbaltime.ca. So now, guys, what I'm going to do is I've got my air fryer pan, and I'm simply going to start layering the radishes on the pan. So in this case, we're going to be using the Herbal Thyme Souvlaki Spice Mix, and we're going to be putting that on our radish crisps. So let's take a little sprinkle here on here. Oh yes, lots and lots of flavor. This is really great too because this mix actually has garlic in it as well. So that is really going to give these rice crisps some good flavor. Oh, it smells amazing. Now, you can move this around. I like a lot of flavoring on my stuff, but it's up to you, however you want to do it. You could even put this in a bowl if you want and toss it first, however you want to do it. So that's what our radishes look like. We're going to put a little bit more spice on the bottom here. Move it around a little bit, probably to capture some more of the spice that I missed. And then we're going to put this in our air fryer. So I press start. The air fryer is going to preheat before it starts counting down those 10 minutes at 375. We are putting in 2 pans here of the radishes. So you can see here one is on the very top level, which is level 4. And then one is on the middle level, which is level 2. What's actually really great about this air fryer is you can tell it that you are looking to air fry on level 2 and on level 4, which is awesome. So as you can see now, the air fryer is counting down from the 10 minutes at 375. Let's see what we get after 10 minutes. Okay, so the moment of truth, the air fryer has stopped. Let's pull these out and see what they look like. Ooh, that's hot, 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 hot. Beautiful. Check it out. This is going to be awesome with dinner tonight. And there you have it, guys. Just a different way for you to do your radishes when the middle of winter hits and the vegetables get boring. If you have any questions, please pop them below or visit us at our Etsy store at notarealfarm.etsy.com. See you soon.